Hi, folks. Today, we're tackling the mysterious case of Samsung TVs that just can't stay awake. And no, the solution isn't as simple as checking for energy-saving modes. Seriously, who has the superhuman speed to navigate those menus in under 5 seconds before the TV blacks out again? Let's dive into some practical fixes that might just keep your TV on long enough for you to actually enjoy it. And don't worry, you won't need a degree in electronics to follow along. First up, grab your remote and eject those batteries. It's a quick test to see if a sticky power button or ghostly gremlins are playing tricks on you. If that solves our power puzzle, great. It might be time to clean that remote or get a replacement. But if the TV's still playing lights out, next step. Disconnect any HDMI devices linked to your TV one by one. Yes, even that old game console that's probably seen better days. If your screen stays on, looks like one of those devices was your culprit. If not, it's time for the big guns. Factory reset. Unplug your TV, press and hold the power button for a solid 15 seconds to clear any residual power, wait another 30 seconds, then plug it back in and give it a go. A detailed link about how to perform a reset without a screen is in the description. Still, the TV shutting off every 5 seconds, then it might be a hardware issue. And it's time to call in the pros, especially if it's still under warranty. There you have it, 3 fixes to try before ringing up your tech-savvy friend or the customer support line. For more handy tips and tech tricks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. See you next time.